This delicious chicken curry is one of my favorite chicken recipes. Welcome to Gakii's kitchen and let's get cooking. We are going to start with preparing all the ingredients. You can prep as you go, but doing it before is way better. I'll be using 2 medium-sized red onions. You can use 1 or as many as you want, or a white onion or any kind of onion that you have. Chop the onion into small slices and set that aside. Do the same to the tomatoes and set them aside. Crush and peel the garlic cloves and the ginger root. Thinly mince the garlic and the ginger. You can use a garlic mincer or mash them into a paste, whatever you prefer. Set them aside. Finally, chop the fresh rosemary and set them aside. Finally, chop the coriander. Separate the stems from the leaves and add them to different bowls. And now to the star of this dish, the chicken. Cut the chicken up. You can use any chicken parts that you like. If you prefer your curry to be super smooth, add all the ingredients except the coriander leaves to a blender and blend until smooth. Everything is ready. Let's head to the stove top. Make sure you're using a deep pot. To the hot pot, add some vegetable oil. Let that heat up and add a few bay leaves. Add the onions and let that fry until translucent. Add the garlic and ginger mix and saute until fragrant. Add the tomatoes. Then add salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix that in. Let them cook until the tomatoes break down and become soft and mushy. Add the fresh rosemary and coriander stems and mix them in. Add some natural yogurt. You can use coconut milk or maziwa mala, or leave it out completely. It's totally optional. Mix it in. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper or chili. Mix them in until they are fully incorporated. Let that simmer for a few minutes. As you can see, the sauce is getting thick. Add the chicken and mix it in. Make sure the chicken is fully coated with the sauce. Cover and let the chicken simmer on low to allow it to absorb the flavors and release its water. This is after about 7 minutes. That looks good. Add the hot water as much as you want. Adding cold water will make the chicken tough. We want our chicken to be soft and tender. That looks good. Cover and let it cook for about 20 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked. This is after 20 minutes. Garnish with the coriander leaves. That looks so good and tasty. This chicken is juicy and very soft. The chicken curry is very delicious and goes with any side dish. I had it with some cumin rice and it was super delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more recipes. See you on the next one. Bye.